Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to add hotels in Google Maps. So let's start this video. Open your Google Maps application. Now over here you have to select the building that you want to add as a hotel. So in this case I'm just gonna select this over here as hotel. So what you need to do is to just scroll up. Now click on this add your business to maps for free. A new page will open up. Over here you have to write down your hotel name and category also. So for example I just write, and now just click on this business category and select the category as hotel. Click on next. Now over here you have to click on yes. This option says that whether you want your location to be visible to the customers. So just click on yes and now click on next. Now over here you have to write down your address, the hotel address. So just now click on next. Now in this section you again have to locate your hotel. So just click on this adjust button, and so I have selected my hotel over here and click on next. So this is an optional option, so you can just select yes or no, it doesn't matter. So I will just select yes. Click on next. This is also option, I will not write it, so I will just click on next. Over here you have to fill up your phone number and a website also, but I am not writing anything, so I will just click on skip. So as you can see it says that you are now verified, and the hotel which you have added in Google Maps will be reviewed by Google Maps also, and they will get back to you in 1 or 2 days. So this is how it works. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.